What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a project with multiple pages in Affinity. To do that, go ahead and click the plus on the upper right hand side, and here you want to go ahead and choose a page size. So let's say I want to switch to the portrait size and I want to start with an A3 in this size. And if I want to start with multiple pages, let's say 4 of these pages, I can now go ahead and look towards the right hand side and toggle on multi-pages. Now from here you can see that it's going to show you how you can add the pages. So you can choose basically vertically or horizontally, it's really up to you. You can choose left or right, it's really up to you. I'm going to say, for example, right. And here you can choose the amount of pages you want. So if I want to start with 4, I do 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. And now I can go in and I can create my design or my document. And it's going to start with the 4 pages. As you can see right here, and I scroll down, I have my 4 pages. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.